So, detailed scheduling. What exactly does ProLeiT understand by detailed scheduling?
The company ProLeiT understands detailed scheduling as a detailed and task-based planning of production orders and material deliveries. The detailed scheduling module of Plant IT enables transparent, temporal and spatial planning of orders based on planning relevant fundamentals such as plant-specific requirements, raw material availability, or cleaning and setup times. The user interface, which is integrated in the web portal, allows orders to be flexibly planned according to requirements. The visual presentation in a Gantt chart provides an overview of which orders are to be executed when and in what sequence. Real-time feedback from a connected plant IT system or any other process control system enables precise order planning and thus optimal utilization of the production plant.
But really, how does this help our customers in detail?
Well, in detail, our detailed scheduling tool offers customers numerous advantages that optimize and make their production plant processes more efficient. These benefits help to increase production capacity, improve efficiency, and accelerate planning, ultimately leading to a better resource utilization and higher profitability. The tool provides a comprehensive overview of all orders, available capacities, enabling production managers to use the facilities efficiently and optimize production. By consolidating orders of the same type, the facilities can be optimally utilized and operating costs can be reduced. Digital planning and real-time feedback, including production prognosis, allow planners to quickly respond to changes and adjust planning, also enabling paperless production. Additionally, the tool helps reduce water consumption and material losses as fewer cleanings and better planning of raw material needs are possible. This leads to higher profitability and better resource utilization.
Okay, specifically, how does this look in practice?
An example from practice is the application of the detailed scheduling tool at the customer in the coating system. Here, the tool is used to plan the utilization of the facilities, taking into account maintenance and downtime. Through raw material forecasting, the planner always has an overview of when raw materials will be consumed and need to be reordered, also displaying deliveries of raw materials at the plant. The vertical integration of the detailed planning ensures that ERP and PCS always receive information about the current planning and conversely, that status updates from production are displayed and considered in the planning.
Thank you for the insight, Patrick, and I'm really looking forward to the new features in detailed scheduling.
You're welcome, thanks.